Hi guys, I am Soumya Acharya and today I'm going to be discussing about conscious parenting. So what is conscious parenting and how is it going to be helping our kids? So conscious parenting is throwing away our impulsive reactions and making a nourishing and empathetic environment for our kids to grow. It's about understanding our emotions in a better way, and it's also about understanding and ensuring that we are in control of our emotions before we throw our frustrations on our children. It's also about providing a safe, secure, emotional and mental environment for our children to grow in a proper way. We need to keep in mind that our children are also an equal human being, and they are not just a mere body and soul. They are more, they are not just mere body and mind. They are more than a body and a mind. They are spiritual human beings, and they are all here with a purpose. So as parents, we need to act as their guide and mentor and help them explore their path with respect to why they have been put on this earth, instead of imposing our preconditioned beliefs and worldviews on them. And when we start doing that, it creates a huge pressure on them with respect to two sets of beliefs. One is that they want to explore and that they are interested in, and the other is that the pathway that we are interested in. So when they have two pathways which are contradicting and which are conflicting, they get so confused with respect to which pathway they need to choose. So as parents, it is our responsibility to not impose our dreams on their life, but enable them to choose their dreams and walk on their pathway. So our role as far as our children's life is concerned is just going to be with respect to guiding them to move towards their journey, but not imposing our dreams on them. So when parents start becoming aware of this fact, there will be children who would be more confident, and they will start developing their self-image and self-esteem right from the childhood, and we can surely solve many upcoming problems as far as their growth and as far as their teenage years are concerned. We can solve many problems related to their teenage years and as well as their growing years, right? So choose conscious parenting. Only when you start developing yourself, you can provide a pathway to your children, and they will start mimicking you, obviously, because you are the role model. So when you better yourself, your children will automatically better themselves, right? So I hope this video was of some value to you guys, and in case if you liked the video, please feel free to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for listening to me. Stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.